Your bulky water purifier didn't fit your kitchen anymore? Introducing Panasonic Undersink Alkaline Ionizer TK-AB50. Compact and stylish designs, it can generate alkaline ionized water with 4 stages of purifications, while generating 5 kinds of water to support your daily use. Drinking alkaline ionized water can help improve your gastrointestinal health too. pH 9.5 is perfect for making tea. pH 9 and pH 9.5 effectively support your daily cooking needs. It's more flavorful and tender, right? Now try using it to wash your face. The weakly acidic water has a pH value that's nearly the same as skin, making it gentle to your skin. Drink safe, drink alkaline water from Panasonic. Undersink Alkaline Ionizer TK-AB50.
Panasonic.